Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Johnny, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make penne alla vodka with shrimps. Penne alla vodka is such a classic. I think everybody loves it, and so I'm gonna make mine with shrimps, but you really don't have to add shrimps if you don't want. I'm just in the mood for some shrimps, and so if you want, you can just make this plain penne alla vodka, or you can even use chicken if you want. So this recipe is so easy, and I know you love it, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is to cook our shrimps. So you can skip these steps if you don't want to use shrimps, but since I'm in the mood for shrimps, that's what I'm doing. So in a skillet with high size, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some butter, and I'm going to allow the butter to melt. Once the butter is nice and melted, we're going to go ahead and add the shrimps, garlic, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna cook this together like for 3 minutes until the shrimps are nice and pink. Make sure you don't overcook them because they will be rubbery, and we don't want that. Once our shrimps are cooked, you're gonna transfer them to a plate or container and save it for later. And now I'm going to make the sauce. So it's basically like a marinara sauce. I've made this already on my chicken parmesan. I'm gonna add some olive oil and then add some onions that I chopped. We're gonna cook that there for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are nice and soft and translucent. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic. Mix it all together for about 30 seconds until the garlic is fragrant. Make sure you don't burn the garlic because this will be better. So after that, we're going to go ahead and add the star of the show. Is it the star of the show? One of the star of the show, the vodka. 1 shot of vodka. Oh god, you guys saw that video, 1 shot of vodka. So just add the vodka there, and we're gonna cook this here until it reduces by half. It's over medium heat, so everything I'm doing is over medium heat. And so once the vodka has reduced by half, we're gonna go ahead and add our crushed tomatoes. I'm gonna bring this to a simmer, and then I'm going to season with salt, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. You don't really have to add the red pepper flakes, but I like that little heat that it gives this, and I just love it. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna lower the heat to low. I'm gonna cover it, and we're gonna cook this here for 20 minutes. So my marinara sauce has been cooking here for exactly 20 minutes, and this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some fresh basil, like just break it there and add it. Give it a mix, and we're gonna go ahead and add some heavy cream and our shrimps. Mix everything together, and we're gonna cook this here like for on low, like for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure you heat up the cream and all the flavors marry together. So after that, your sauce is ready. All you have to do is add your penne pasta that you cooked according to the package instruction. Make sure that when you boil the pasta, add salt, because that's the only time you really get to season the pasta itself, and you really want to make sure everything is seasoned well. Mix that all together, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some freshly grated parmesan cheese. I got this parmigiano when I went to Italy, and it's so delicious. So just mix everything together, season with salt and pepper if you need to, and bon appetit! Alright guys, our pasta is done. Thanks goodness, because I'm starvation. So let's give it a try now. I want pasta, I want the shrimp, I want everything. And I'm so glad that this pasta came out like really saucy, because that's how I like them. Because at times you will see like some penne pasta that are like thick, and this has sauce, because that's pasta should have sauce, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's yummy. It is so good, guys. You need to try this. Everybody will love it. Everybody will love you. I have no words. So the recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you make this, send me a picture through my Facebook or Instagram. Everything will be in the description box. And I see you next time. Bye.